In today's shifting market, it's crucial to adapt your selling strategies for success. Start by pricing your home competitively. Research recent sales in your area to find a sweet spot that attracts buyers. Next, enhance your home's curb appeal with simple updates that make a big difference. Don't forget the power of staging. A well staged home helps buyers envision themselves living there. Lastly, be flexible with showings and open houses to maximize exposure. With these strategies, you'll be better positioned to sell your home quickly and at a great price. Learn how we will get your home in front of and shown to more buyers and get it sold so that you can move on with your life. We'll ensure your property is exposed to a wider audience of potential buyers across all platforms, sold quickly and at a premium price, handled with minimal stress, allowing you to move forward in life smoothly. Just DM me, comment below, or text me at 516-313-5197 for our 100 plus point marketing plan to get your home sold for more money and faster.